Example 6. Use the properties of integrals to evaluate the function 4 plus 3x squared going from 0 to 1 dx. Okay, so the first thing we're going to do is we're going to use properties two and 3. Okay, and by doing so, let's go ahead and write the integral. So we have the integral going from 0 to 1 of 4 plus 3x squared dx. Okay, and so we're going to separate them with the addition. So we have an integral going from 0 to 1 of 4 dx plus the integral going from 0 to 1 of 3x squared dx. Okay, and then in the second integral, we're going to factor out the 3. So now we have 0 and then 1 and then 4 dx, and then we're going to factor out the 3, and it's going to go from 0 to 1 and then x squared dx. Okay, so what do we know about property number 1? Well, we know that property number 1 is going to tell us the following. Property number 1 tells us, and using property number 1, tells us that we take the value of c, which is the constant, and then we're going to multiply it by the difference, which is the difference between b minus a. So that's b minus a. Okay? And so that gives us a value of 4. And what else do we know? Okay, well, if we take a look at the integral of example 2 in section 5.1. So if we take a look at example 2, in section 5.1, we determined that the integral from 0 to 1 of x squared dx was equal to 1/3. So now it's going to be plus 3 times 1/3. So now this is 4 times 1. Plus 3 times 1/3, which is 1. And so therefore we get the answer of 5.